there, I'm Laura from 5 out of 4 Patterns, and welcome to the Camilla Cowl Sew Along tutorial sponsored by the wonderful people at So English Fabrics. Today we're beginning a fun journey of making our very own Camilla Cowl neck top or dress. I'm wearing my very first Camilla Cowl that I ever made, and it's the moment I made this was the moment I fell in love with this pattern, and I know that you will fall in love with it as well. So what we've done is divide the tutorial into 5 parts. For day 1, we will be printing, assembling, and cutting out our fabric. For day 2, we'll be working on the back neckline and the pleats. Day 3, we'll be sewing our shoulder seams and our side seams, including pockets if you choose to do them. Day 4, we will put on our sleeves or leave them off, depending on which option you choose. We will cover both the sleeved version and the sleeveless version. Day 5, we'll be finishing it up. Whether you're going to hem it or you're going to attach a band, we're going to cover it. You'll also get the opportunity to take a photo and send it to us because we definitely want to see what you've done with the Camilla Cowl. I hope you will join us for each and every day of this sew along, as I love this pattern and I hope you do too.